And Larry, eventually he'll have to visit all those counties that Kristen mentioned where he's facing charges. But today it was Sacramento County's turn. 2 counts of murder with special circumstances, which could make him eligible for the death penalty. We don't know that yet because he has not been charged that way. He also did not enter a plea. But I can tell you the courtroom was packed with a lot of attention that Sacramento is not used to getting.
Joseph James D'Angelo.
The 72-year-old ex-police officer was in a wheelchair when deputies rolled him into a Sacramento courtroom. He looked frail and elderly and spoke in a soft, raspy voice that we all strained to hear.
Is Joseph James D'Angelo your true and correct legal name? I'm sorry? Yeah.
D'Angelo is officially charged with 2 counts of murdering a Sacramento County couple in 1978. He's also suspected of 10 more murders as the Golden State Killer and 50 rapes as the East Area Rapist. The crime spanned a decade from the mid-70s to the mid-80s and went unsolved for 40 years. Diane Hill of Rancho Cordova and daughter Kelly came to the courthouse today in hopes of getting a look at the suspect.
He's a horrific, horrific man, and he needed to be caught. And we didn't ever imagine that we would see this happen.
Not that we believed that we were in danger at all times, but it just felt like people could finally put that to rest.
D'Angelo is represented by attorney Diane Howard with the County Public Defender's Office. She's asking people not to rush to judgment.
We have the law that suggests that he is innocent until they prove him guilty. And that's what I was going to ask everybody to remember, because I feel like he's been tried in the press here already.
Ms. Howard is already complaining about the access she had to her client in an impromptu news conference in the hallway of the courtroom. She said that on several visits to the jail, she was denied access. She had to get a court order, and even then she had trouble getting in to see her client to interrupt the questioning he was undergoing by the sheriff's department. She says there's thousands of pages of evidence she must go through, and she's not sure when a plea is going to be entered, and it could be many months before a trial would begin. Live in Sacramento, Eric Thomas, ABC 7 News.